This is just the packaging. So look at that thought. Put that off to the side. Look at that. Very nice packaging. Very well thought of. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Give this a quick look. So, presentation, packaging, A1. Gotta love it. It has this leather material on the outside. I was thinking about getting the piano black, but I really like the color combination of the gray and the orange. Might not be for everyone, but I do like some color and I like it to pop. Glass top. So you can see those pieces. You know, one of the big things on why I really wanted this watch case is just the quality and the durability, right? So for example, piano hinge there, very nice hinge. So as you open and close it, you know, a lot of the cheaper watch cases, they would just have the leather, leather material actually being the hinge, so that will weaken over time. And typically they're made out of more of a cardboard-like material, where this is going to be a little bit more robust. Now, one of the things I looked for in a case in general, because I wanted more of a jewelry case, just to house some of my accessories and everything like that, was to have, oh man, this thing slides so good, so easy to pull out. It's a valet drawer. And why I really went with this and everything that I did look at, a lot of the times they will use up a lot of space for a ring slot. And I only have like one or two rings. I don't need a whole large space that has the holders in there. So I really like this because it's nice and open. And like I said, this thing glides and moves effortlessly. Very good. Another big feature that I wanted, and the reason why I went with this case, was a lot of cheaper cases, the spacing between watches is very narrow and very thin. And I know in one of my other cases, I may do a review video kind of showing the difference. But one of my other cases, the watches are pretty much hitting up against each other anytime the case shakes or moves. And you know, when you spend a lot of money on your watches, you just want to keep them as protected as possible. So there's that, but that is the main reasons. The added space between, the valet drawer, not having a ring slot, but actually being all open where I could kind of do whatever I want. It does come with a key. This is lockable. Now, this is more novelty. Keep your kids out, but that's about it. Let's see what this is like. There we go. So that is locked. Go ahead and turn it back. Now we're unlocked. I did want to look at this and check this because I did see on a few of the reviews that some people got some bad ones of this. Everything looks good to me. Quality wise, cannot complain. Like I said, there are watch boxes that cost more, but best bang for your buck. I do not think that this could be beat. So, looking at some of these pillows. Very nice pillows. I was wondering if this was removable or not, but it's not. But I don't need it to be modular. I have, if not 12, close to 12